ntabwo wigeze wamburwa mu buzima bwawe. Njye narambuwe kandi ku buryo butari bwiza muri Ghana nambuwe inshuro 3. Inshuro ya mbere yambabaje cyane. Reka maze mumve iki kiganiro nakoranye n'umuntu wanyambuye maze kugera hanga. Mbanza wumve kiri mu cyongereza cyoroheje. I think is your Hi Fred, I think is your network.
Yes, I think it's my network.
Yeah, but you can hear me now better?
Please come again.
You can hear me now better?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay, I need to talk to you a little bit, if you have 1 minute.
Yes, I do.
I want to know, well, can you hear me?
Yes, please, I can hear you, sir.
Okay, I want to know, well, what happened with that money I sent to you? Sincerely speaking, what happened? Because that money I sent to you, to me, I consider this as a scam because I came to Accra. I didn't want to meet you because of that money. What happened? What's happened with that money?
Yes, the people that I gave the money to them for them to give us the car, they called me that they've lost all their cars through a fire outbreak. And I was telling them that since I've already made the payment for it, I'm really expecting that they will find the car for us. And during that time too, I was also chatting with you to know your whereabouts, but you told me that you guys are okay, and so I thought maybe because of that issue, that's why you don't want to see me. Yeah.
Well, exactly, because I was planning that money, to visit the orphans, and you're the one who told me about the orphans. Then I'm in Accra. I was in Accra at that time, and the money, no trace. And then, sincerely speaking, I couldn't trust you because it wasn't the first time I got scammed with money. So the trust between me and you dropped because of that money, and I couldn't visit those orphans.
And because of that, I was also trying to always get in contact with you. You could see that later on, I sent you a message that if there's something that I've done, because I also wanted to find out about your whereabouts so that I could meet you in person. Yes.
Well, I couldn't meet you, Fred, because I was, I was new in Accra, and when you don't trust someone for your safety, you don't know what will happen. So that's why I didn't want to meet with you, and I didn't trust you again.
Yes, I really get you, and even with that, I was able to even get a friend's car that I wanted us to use, but since you were not replying to my messages, I also gave back the car to my friend because it's his own personal car that he was using. That because of that issue with the car rental people, that I pleaded with him so that he could be of help to me to cover that cost that I've already paid for, that those people were not able to fulfill their side.
So these people who supposedly scam you and they took that money, did they return money to you or they didn't?
No, they have not, and I've always been calling them. I've always been calling them. They give me the same story that they will refund back the money to me. They refund back the money to me. So
and you don't know them, right? You don't know them.
No, I don't know them. It was through the internet. I saw their cars. I got in contact with them. So I thought maybe they are good, they are perfect for our since I saw some of their pictures and I felt it's a very good company that they can be used for touring and other things. But I don't know why it was something different. But I think I was not smart enough to check out more before making that payment to them. Because even at first, the rate at which that they were calling me to make the payment to them for them to be sure that we will be using the car, it should have even clicked in my mind that they were up to something.
Okay. And anyway, I had a wonderful time in Accra, and sincerely speaking, I was totally confused. If you put yourself in my boots, you're gonna feel when you're going when you're going to a country for the first time. Actually, you're not the only one. I got scammed even when I came back. I got scammed by 2 other people from Accra, and I don't know how truth can be trustworthy to people, and I think to me was a lesson on trusting. Yeah. Even you, yeah. If those guys, they are the one who scammed you, I think you learn a lesson from that. As the way I learned the lesson.
I've really learned a great lesson from that, because even if you could remember when you came, I even told you that I was even at the airport there that I called, and you said your other family members are not in. Yes, during that time they were communicating with me, so I felt like, oh, these people will obliged to their side of the contract of coming to pick you up from the airport and those stuff. But it's all good. I've learned a great lesson.
So probably this company you contacted to take us to the orphanage, probably it doesn't exist.
Yes. Because the plan was just for them to take us to the orphanage. They sent me pictures of the cars, which I sent it to you. So I really had trust in them, but not knowing it was the other way around.
Okay, I thank you so much for your time. I know it's late there in Ghana, and I thank you so much. I met wonderful people, and I will not deny that it's a beautiful country, wonderful people. But again, there's still some people there who will bring this dark stain, I mean, on a country, on a beautiful country like that. All right, I thank you so much for your time, Fred. Nguko nyuma yaho ngaho nanza ngeza ngaha muri Leta Zunze ndavuga ngo okay, hariho abantu nagendaga nsura, murabizi neza yuko ni mureba ama video yanjye, ndi umuntu ukunda kujya ahantu kuvugana n'abantu babandi bitwa nkaho batishoboye cyangwa abantu bo hasi, cyane cyane bari abantu baba bikoreye ibintu, kuko buriya uburyo bikorera biriya bintu udutaro cyangwa ibintu barimo gucuruza, bara niwo abantu nagendaga mbonana nabo, kandi nkagira icyo mbashigikira gitoya, atari byinshi kuko sindumukire, atari byinshi, ariko ubukire bwa mbere n'ubwo mu mutima, kuko niwo hantu umuntu waboneraho umugisha n'umunezero. Ndagenda abo bantu rero nagendeba muri Ghana no mu bindi bihugu bitanu nagiyemo, nzabibabwira. Ubu ngubu nagiye sharinga Ghana, Togo na Cameroon. Ngira ngo Cameroon nabyo mwabonye byabo, nasuye umumama ubana n'abana b'imfubyi, wanatereranywe n'umuryango we kubera kurera abana b'imfubyi. Ariko ibyo bintu birasanzwe muri iyi si ya none, ko utereranwa kubera kugira ineza, ariko ari utagutererana. Twese turamuzi, ni nawe wangombwa cyane, ari umwami wacu Yesu Kristo. So nuko rero ukuntu byaje kugenda, ndangenda ndamvugana n'umuntu yari umushoferi wacu, ndamubwira ngo rero kuri aho ngaho ari abantu nasuye, mubwira abo bantu nk'abo ngabo murimo kureba aho ngaho bari mu masoko bacuruza, ndamubwira uzagende ubandebere, hanyuma rero ubamereye amafaranga. Kubera ko yari umushoferi wacu anyohereza message, reka mbareke nayo mu byumva biri mu Cyongereza.
Good afternoon. Honestly, I have received the money, I have received the videos, but I'm even shocked. I'm shocked at your kind gesture towards human being. It's been a while since you left all of us here, but you are able to remember all of us, and it will take a few people to remember such a thing, and I'm most grateful. Not especially me, I know who you are and I know what you can do. But to those people out there, the sellers, I don't know how appreciative they are going to be even if they receive the money, or even if I even call you and you do a video call to them on the day that I'm going to deliver the gift to them. I just don't know. I'm shocked as at now. Today it's been raining since morning, so I didn't even go to work. It's been raining. So, but I'm even shocked. I must tell you, I have received everything. Though I haven't watched all the videos, but I can see one of the videos. I think you told me about that. The military officer that you paid the food to at the restaurant. I think you told me that. I haven't opened that video, but I can see him in uniform. I don't know whether it's that video. And I think God richly bless you, and you should just continue like this. I don't know the motive behind what you are doing, but I can only wish you good, and I am here anytime that you want to do something. I will avail myself, and I'll do it as and how you will do it when you are here. I can only thank you, and maybe tomorrow will be Sunday, maybe Monday, Tuesday, I'll start working towards that. Mamobi is not that far. Mamobi is close to Nima. Nima and Mamobi, they are all on the same stretch. It depends on where you come from. Mamobi is just close to Nima. Mamobi to Nima is walking distance. The same. They are all on the same stretch. So they are not. There is two markets. So they are not far from each other. So I'll try to do my best. And on a day of delivery, I'll make sure I'll take video of them, or probably do a video call so that you talk to them, so that for them to express their appreciation to you. I thank you, and I really appreciate anything that you have done to all of us here and all the advice that you've been giving to me. I can only thank you, and thank you once again.
Good afternoon, Dauda. Hope you're doing well. And I travel. I came there from Liberia. That's where I traveled first, and after there I went to other 4 countries after I left you there. And wherever I go, I travel for kindness. That's why I don't like going in London and Paris and Brussels. Maybe one day I'll go. But I like going in the countries where I can see people. I can share kindness with people who are struggling, or those who, just get challenged, and I share love with those in need if I can. And from what I have, I don't have much, but a little I can provide. It comes from heart. So I know you have a friend or a neighbor, and I want to tell you to ask them, those neighbors or friends who are Christian, to read for you these verses, and they will tell you my motive. I know you're asking, you're saying you don't know my motive, but they will tell you my motive. So find friends or neighbors or someone who is a Christian and tell them, can you help to read for me these verses? Then you will understand my motive. Here are the verses here. Nuko bimeze nyuma y'iyo message sinongeye kumubona maze kumuhereza amafaranga, ndamubwira abo ba mama aranyizeza ukuntu azabafasha. Murumva we yavuze yuko ngo I was shocked, nukuvuga ngo yumiwe icyanzanye muri Ghana, ngo nago yarazi icyari cyihishe nyuma cy'urugendo rwanjye, ariko nta kindi cyari cyihishe nyuma byari ubumuntu. ngewe mumaze kumenyera kuri Dusangire sinkunda sinagenda gusura Paris cyangwa Londres cyangwa Brussels. Mfite abantu tuziranye nabo benshi wenda zabasura umunsi umwe, ariko ikintu nkunda gusura abantu bo hasi, bari abantu babikorera udutaro banyibutsa mama wanjye, banyibutsa ngewe uyu mutwe wanjye uyu nguyu wikoreye udutaro, icyo cyitwa udutaro muri Kongo babitaga amabase, wikoreye amabase sinavuga imyaka ingahe. Ubwo rero bari abantu mbahoza ku mutima wanjye cyane, kuko bangaragariza ubuzima nanjye n'umuryango wanjye twakuriyemo, kuko ari iriya bassin yaradutungaga, iriya bassin yaratwishyuraga amashuri, ikanatuma turya, nubwo twaryaga wenda rimwe ku munsi, ariko twararyaga tugashimira Imana. So uwa gatatu rero wanyambuye, sindi buvuge icyo akora, ariko ni umuntu nakwita nkaho bitewe n'akazi akora. Namusanze muri restaurant igana, hanyuma rero agiye kwishyura facture, ndamwe ngo ngenda yishyura facture y'imafunguro ye, yewe aza no kumbaza n'undi, aza no kunsanga kuri hotel n'imodoka ye. Ansanze kuri hotel turaganira, n'umuntu ukora mu kazi ka leta, muzareba muri ma video ya nyine mushaka kumumenya muzabibona. Hanyuma rero nyuma amaze kubanga ndamubwiye ngo rero bari abantu bo muri restaurant numvisha amafaranga bahembwa birambabaza cyane, kandi n'amafaranga nari mfite icyo gihe yo mu magana, kuburyo nahita mbahereza karaga tipo bayahereza. Ndavuga nzabahereza amafaranga nibura afatika ningera hina. None nkabona uyu mugabo uburyo yubashye, ndavuga reka muhereza amafaranga. Aranambwira ngo nta kibazo, nkunda kujyayo n'ejo narendi ndamuhereza. Bita birangirira aho ngaho, nta kundi byagenda. Nari namaze iminsi mvuga impamvu ntazajya muri Ghana, ntazasubira muri Ghana. Ibyo ngibyo bije kwiyongera ku yindi mpamvu navuze mbere. Impamvu nari navuze ngo ntazajya muri Ghana, ntazasubirayo, mbere na mbere nuko Ghana ni igihugu kimaze gutera imbere cyane, kiteye imbere kuri demokarasi, kiteye imbere ku infrastructure, imyubakire n'ibindi byose. Iri muri Afrika, ariko rero hari byinshi bigaragara nkaho ari Burayi. Iyi ngiyi ni highway yaho, murabona ko ifite nk'iriya mihanda, abantu baba muri Texas murabizi. So barakora investment cyane muri infrastructure, ibintu bishimishije cyane. Kimaze gutera imbere cyane, ariko kuriya kirimo kugenda gitera imbere, ni nako umuco, tradition na culture birimo kugenda bibura, kuburyo ari ahantu uri muri Ghana ugahitekereza yuko ko uri muri Europe. Uhereye ku mazu, ukagenda ku mahoteli, ukagenda uburyo abantu bitwara, ukagenda mu restaurant arimo, kandi numvaga yuko Ghana ngo bafite ama restaurant meza arimo, ushobora kubonamo ibintu traditionnel. Numvaga ibiryo byo muri Ghana birimo iriya jollof rice, birimo kenke. Yego twagiye muri restaurant imwe nge na murumuna wanjye, aho ngaho urabona iri traditionnel ho gakeya, ariko tradition irimo gutakara. Ubundi ibintu birimo gufata intambwe, ni moderne, barimo kugenda kuri ibintu by'ikizungu cyane. Kandi murabizi neza yuko ko ibyo bintu bibiri kugira ngo bihure ngo bikorane bisaba izindi mbaraga zikomeye cyane. Ibintu nshaka kuvuga ibyo bibiri ni umucyo dusanganye cyangwa culture yacu, no guhuza n'ibingibi byo byitwa byiterambere by'abazungu, kubihuza n'ibintu bigoye, otherwise ni ibintu bigenda bigongana bigatandukana. So icyo ngicyo nicyo kintu nakunze muri Ghana, cyatumye mvuga yuko ko ntazasubirayo, kubera ko ngiye mbashaka kugenda numve tradition irimo gutera imbere. Ni byiza kandi ikomeze itere imbere, ni igihugu kabisa kirimo umutekano, abantu baho abantu beza baganira neza, ariko ngewe ku Rwanda wanjye gusa navuze yuko ko ntazasubira kubera ko naburaga ikintu cya tradition kuri Rwanda. Ikindi kintu navuga ku bintu bigendana n'ibyiza byaho byo abantu mushaka gusura, navuze yuko nimba ushaka gusura plage nziza cyane irimo umutekano, irimo isuku imeze neza, jya muri Ghana. Bafite plage nini cyane yitwa la Body Beach, uzayenezerwa. Ikibuga cy'indege cyabo kiyagera, abakozi ba immigration baragusekera bakaguganiriza n'ibyishimo, ukabona yuko ko ari abantu bazi uburyo bwo gufata abandi, bazi agaciro k'abantu. Ubwo rero nakoze video mvuga impamvu ntazasubira muri Ghana, kubera ko ngire channel yanjye y'icyongereza yitwa The Clevers. Iyo channel ni mugenda yo mukashaka The Clevers murahita mubibona. Abantu benshi barambwiraga ngo nuko wagumye mu mujyi nago wagiye mu giturage bya Ghana. Gusa ndabandekeye aho ngaho, ngewe Cameroon, mwabonye Cameroon uko imeze, shobora kuzasubirayo, ariko cyane cyane kubera uriya mu mama urera abana barenze 30, akaba yaritereranwe n'umuryango we, umugabo n'abana bakamutererana kubera gufata gahunda yo kurera abana b'imfubyi. Mu bitekereze namwe ni bangaye babikora ibyo ngibi. Iyo engagement nk'iyo ngiyo nyeruka uriya mu mama witwaga Teresa wa Calcutta cyangwa Yesu Kristo, nari n'umwasi. Niwe abantu bakundaga kwitanga ku buryo utekereza ngo abantu uburyo bitanga kuri ubu buryo biba byagenze gute. Twese murabizi neza koko biba bikoranye. Nuko rero ndahita nkurikizaho amavideo yo muri Senegal, nyo muzabona, nzababwira Senegal ukuntu imeze, hanyuma rero nzababwira n'ibindi bihugu bibiri bizakurikira nyuma ya Senegal. Uwiteka barinde, kandi twese dukomeze dusoze umwaka wacu, uyu mwaka wa 2022 tusoze neza, tusoze mu rukundo, twibuka cyane imfubyi n'abapfakazi n'abantu batishoboye, tubabe hafi kuko niho tuboneramo umugisha. Mbatuye ijambo ryanditswe mu Migani 19:17, ufasha umukene aba yagurije Imana. Reka tuguje Imana tuyihereze, kuko tuzabisarura mu buryo bumwe cyangwa ubundi. Nkunda kubwira abantu ko n'ubu turasarura, kuko iyo ufashe umukene uranezerwa, umutima wawe wumva ufite umunezero. Uwiteka barinde, naho mu video y'ubutaha.